family, welcome back to my channel. My name is Beautiful Natural Makeup. Today you guys, I just want to come on and wish you all the best for 2021. I know that 2020, you guys, is a very rough year for each and every one of us, but I give God thanks that I am still here and I made it to 2021. So you guys, all the best for the new year. Thank you so much to all my subscriber and my friend who stayed true to me. I would just want to thank you so much for being a part of my channel and for always supporting me, no matter how small it is. You guys, I just want to thank you so much. I appreciate everything that you do for me. I appreciate you staying true to me and my channel. For those who, and for those who does not, I still want to thank you, and I just want to wish you all the best for 2021. So today, you guys, I have an empty for the end of the year, which I am going to show you guys the empties that I have. I've been storing them up and keep saying that I'm going to do this video, but I never get to. So today, let's talk about these empty. So the first one here, you guys, I have on in my bag here. It is the Dark and Lovely Fade Resistant Hair Color. I really don't really like Dark and Lovely that much. I think I prefer Cream of Nature, but it still does the job for me. So this is the box here that I use in my hair, and also I also have here is a hair mask. I love using a hair mask, you guys, and this one is the hair mask, you guys, I'm talking about that I use in my hair. The bottle is empty. You can see I use this in my hair. I bought it with the shampoo and the condition at the store, and I tried to use it off, so it said hair mask, and it also said for color safe. So if you color your hair, you can also use this, and it's free of sulfate and paraben. So this is, I picked this up at Winners, which is Winners and Marshall are the same store. So I picked this up there, and it is finished. And this is something that really leave my hair really nice and moisturizing. The other thing I have here, you guys, that I also love, and this is the finished bottle. This one is the Argan Oil Contour Argan Oil Leave-In Condition Repair Cream. Now, I love this stuff, you guys. This bottle is also finished. I have been using this for a while in my hair. I think somebody who really recommend this product to me, the leave-in conditioner. I have a thick consistent, but it is a very good conditioner to have in your hair. So this is how it look, you guys. And also the bottle here is empty. I think I'm gonna save this bottle because I needed to put something. I always mixing up things to put in my hair. Also, this is oil with natural vitamin E. I have been using this also multi-purpose treatment for my hair. They say it promote healthy hair growth. I'm not gonna say it doesn't because I don't really know. I use so much things in my hair sometimes that, maybe sometimes that's why my hair doesn't really get taller. But this is the bottle for this oil. It is also finished, and I am not sure if I'm gonna want to repurchase this. This is something that I really want to repurchase. I'm not sure about that. So the other thing here, you guys, let's talk about here is this Latte Body Coconut Shear Oil. I love this one, you guys. This is amazing, and it makes your hair feel really nice and soft and manageable. I love this, you guys, and it's a Love Me 5-in-1 leave-in treatment. I think when the beauty supply open, I'll try to get another one of this, but this is something that I will repurchase. Okay, so let's talk about castor oil, you guys. Castor oil is the real deal. So I have been using castor oil in my hair for a while. So this is castor oil that a friend of mine bring from Jamaica for me, and the bottle, you can see it is very empty. Castor oil is something that I always gonna keep in my hair regime. I always have castor oil at my home. I love castor oil. It's a part of my hair, my natural hair regime. So this is something that I will repurchase. So let's go over to this one. This one is the Sheer Moisturizing Intensive Hydration Hair Mask from Manuka honey. You guys, this is also one of my favorite hair masks that I love and use for 2020, which I know that I will repurchase this. But I have some masks here. I just want to use off what I have and then, start repurchase for the new year. But this is something that I will repurchase for my hair. It's already finished. I already used this out and I'm going to keep the jar because, as I said, sometimes I do need this jar to put things into. Is another one of my hair product, Do Grow Leave-In Treatment. This one, I'm not sure if I'm gonna repurchase this. I've been using Do Grow for a while. I mean, the treatment. I haven't used the shampoo. I just use like the treatment on the hair oil, hair grease. I just use that. But this is, they say it promotes strong, healthy growing hair, and it strengthen and rebuild, helps stop breakage, extra light formula. I tried this in my hair, but I haven't seen anything like growth or whatever. But I'm not sure. I just not sure that this is something that I would repurchase. Okay. Another thing here that I have, you guys, and I've been using in my hair and I really love it, is the Assume Miracle Volume Shampoo. I love these stuff. They are really affordable at the drugstore and they really make your hair feel really, really moisturizing and feel really, really nice. This is something that I will always have in my home. If I'm looking like for a quick 3 minutes treatment or a quick wash, this is something that I will repurchase. And moreover, they are affordable. Okay, this is something here. I've been through this one. I had another one and I give it away. The scent of it is not great, but the scent doesn't matter me. And this is the this is the Amla hair oil. So this oil, I use it, but it's itch my scalp and I still gonna try to repurchase it because I think it is a good oil to have in your hair for overnight pre-poo, or if you going to have your hair hot oil treatment. This is something that I think you should have. So this is something that I'm gonna try to keep also. So I will purchase it. They are not expensive. You can get these at the Indian store or even Walmart. You can get them there. So this is something that I will repurchase because I like oil, you guys. Oil is one of my really favorite thing that I like to keep. Okay, so let's go into other thing here. Okay, this is a body wash, black coconut salt. You guys, this is amazing. I love this scent. Somebody gave this to me for my birthday. I use it all. It really loaded my skin really nice and I love it. It is one of these amazing body wash, and I don't know if this person get this at Bath and Body to buy, but I got it for my birthday. But this is something, if I come across it, I will try and pick it up. Okay, so this other one, this is the Ivory Mild Gentle Formula for dry skin. I use this on my skin. This is a shower body wash that I use on my skin and I really like it. It have a silky feeling towards it and it make your skin feel really nice and moisturized. Also another castor oil, you guys. I love this castor oil. This one here is the As I Am Pure 100% castor oil. You guys try this out. This make your hair so thick if you constant use it. This is, I mix this with my oil and I also just use this in my hair when I'm doing my hair, and it is amazing castor oil to have. It smells like real castor oil. It have a dark color towards this. This is the tea tree oil. I'm not going to repurchase these. These sell at the beauty supply. I think if you're going to buy a tea tree oil, just buy something that is really more natural and very good than picking up this. So this is something that I won't repurchase. This here is also a contour leave-in hair. This is something, as I said, I will repurchase. And then I also have this one here, the Mega Therapy Treatment Morning Meringue Oil. I picked this up at the beauty supply. I'm not sure about this because I have the meringue powder, so I will just use the meringue powder instead of to pick up this oil. And I can make my own oil anyway, so I don't think I'm gonna repurchase. Sometimes you have to save money. It's 2021 now and it don't make any sense. Okay, this is one of my face serum here from Elizabeth Grant. Is Wonder Effect Night Wonder Concentrated Serum, you guys. I have finished this. This is amazing. I love her product so much, you guys. If you can get your hand on it, try out her product, especially her 3D neck cream. It is amazing. And also, this one here is from Love This, very moisturizing and the face, very hydrating and the face. I picked this up at Walmart, and I know this is something that I will repurchase. Okay, this is something that I've been using in my hair for years. I remember one time I would use this in my hair and it would grow my hair, and this is the Organic Hair Energizer Hair Booster, you guys. I picked this up at the beauty supply, and I don't know, I remember I usually use this year ago and it really grew my hair. Now I cannot say, as I said, because I think I use too much product in my hair. I changed my product, okay, this is oil. I picked this up in Jamaica, I think 2018 when I went out there, and this is carrot oil for my face. I finish it. I'm not repurchasing this. I don't think it do nothing for me. So this is something that not the carrot, I mean the papaya oil, papaya cream. I tone my skin with the papaya cream. Some people ask me about papaya cream. Don't use it exactly like that because it's very strong. So it's best for you to tone your skin with the papaya cream than to use it exactly on your face. This is another one here, you guys. Ordinary. I picked this up. This is a cleaner. I use this to clean makeup off my face, and it is amazing. I love it, you guys. Okay, this is something that I also love, is the lemon zesty scrub. I use this on my face to clean off my makeup or to, clean my face. This is something that I would repurchase, you guys. They are amazing. These things get off every drop of makeup off your face. Okay, this is something that I won't repurchase. Foodie. I picked this up, but I don't like it. I won't repurchase this anymore. Okay, this one is something that I will repurchase, and this is the Bestie number 9 jelly cleaner, and this is from the Elephant. You can get this at Sephora. This is something that I would repurchase. So I'm keeping this to make sure when I go to Sephora anytime soon, I can get it. I don't know, something is out there. Okay, Do-Grow. So this is a Do-Grow oil. I go through, like this is my third one I going through with my hair, and this is the Do-Grow Hair Vitalizing Mega Long. I use this. I don't know if it do anything for me, but I like the scent of it and I really like it. Guys, I want to say thank you so much for watching, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, please hit the red subscribe button. Also turn on notification that when I upload you can be notified. And I want to say thank you so much for being a part of my YouTube world for 2020, and I hope 2021 will be a blessing for you, each and every one of us. And I just want to say God bless you, and I will see you soon. Ciao.